What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss. In this video I'm going to show you how to get 60 fps, enable 60 fps on your Redmi 4, although I wouldn't recommend it, but it works flawlessly, but the video quality is not that great. So you can record at 1080p or 720p, 1080p at 60 or 720p at 60, 90 or 120 fps. So you'll need to have a device which has bootloader unlocked. It will work on many other devices as well. So yeah, you can try it on Redmi 4, Redmi 5. I don't know about Redmi 5, but many other devices. So you will need a you actually will not need a root access, because you're gonna flash those files in the TWRP recovery itself, or Red Wolf recovery. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I hope everything is clear and everything is in focus. I can see that. I was about to record with a DSLR, but it didn't have enough charge, so I wasn't able to. So let me fix the brightness. Let's see if it's in focus. Yeah, I guess it is. Bring it closer and see. So as you can see, this oops, no, sorry for that. But let's see. First of all, this is brought to you by not brought to you. I got this from an XDA Thread. So first of all, I'm going to show you the thread. I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to show you how to do it, and then no, I'm not. First of all, I'm going to show you the thread, and then like a preview of how it works and stuff, and then how to do it. So this is the thread. TWRP magic, how to record smooth 60 fps clear with stereo sound. I don't care about that, but here are all the steps. I'm going to do it in a video, so you don't need all of these files. I'm going to tell you guys which one you need. So here, and then just scroll down until it downloads. Let's see, where are they? So first of all, you will need, oh wait, just a second. Yep, there we go. So first of all, you'll need MIUI camera Bravia V4, and let's see, you'll also need camera.zip. Where is it? I guess I do have it. Yeah, there we go, camera.zip, camera 2i enabler, and then you'll need this one right here. You do not need these, you only need this super FPS. So yeah, the other two are for Samsung phones, for a Samsung phone specific one. So I'm gonna put up all the files that you need on the screen right now. So for Redmi 4, but I'm gonna link the thread in the description so you can check it out yourself. So let me turn on all the lights in my room to show you guys the preview, because in low light it's pretty damn bullshit. So there we go. Let's see. So it gives you once you install all that, it installs an app for you in your device automatically. It's called Snapdragon Camera, I guess, Snapdragon something. There you go. So let me move this away. There we go. Put that drone away. So turn the camera back. There we go. And as you can see, we are in the recording mode. It's a bit too dark for me, but for you guys it should be pretty great. So as you can see, I'm at 1080p. I cannot record more than 60 fps, because if I choose, for example, 90, it's going to say HSR, high resolution, high speed frame rate is not supported. So fast motion at 60 fps. As you can see, if I'm recording, the preview may not look like 60 fps. The preview is not, like, it doesn't look like 60 fps, I guess, for many people, but for me as well, it didn't seem like 60 fps. So let's see, the final video is 60 fps. So let's see where it is. A DCIM, where is it? There we go. And then camera, and then just scroll down, and then here it is, I guess. So yeah, as you can see, it is 60 fps pretty much. You can try it, but I don't think the quality is that great, but still it works. For this one, I have an app installed on my phone which shows information about certain videos. So it's called Video Meta there. Where is it? Video. Yeah, there we go. Video Info Viewer. It gives you a metadata about your videos. So this is the video that I just shot. As you can see, it's the one that I just shot. And yeah, so as you can see here, right here, it says 58.51 FPS, which is around 60 FPS. So let's try again with 720p at 120 FPS, 120, and then change this to 720p. So it's not that cool, the quality, but in daylight it definitely is pretty great. So let's just take another video. I guess I'll also take this part right here, just so I can differentiate easily between this video and the previous videos. So it won't be exactly 120 fps. It's going to be around 120, I guess, 120, but you won't be able to see the difference on this display because it is a 60 hertz display, but you can slow it down 4 times to 30 fps. So let's just take another video. I guess I'll also take this part right here. So it extremely looks like 60 fps there. It's not a joke, no joke. Let's look at this from here, and this is the one because this is 242 and 241, and let's see. So as you can see, 116.33 fps, which is close to 120, but you can't expect exactly 120. It's never exact. So yeah, I guess let's move on to the installation part. Let me close everything in the background. So now what you'll need to do is make sure you have TWRP installed. If you don't, you can check out other videos. There are a million videos upon YouTube about routing and installing this. So what you'll need to do is go to About Phone, System Update, this 3 dots, reboot to recovery mode, and then reboot. Now make sure you've downloaded all the files that I showed earlier. So now once you're done that, you can click on reboot. If you don't know how to download that, but let me just show you how to download them real quick. You can just click on those links and it's gonna immediately download. I'm just a bit sick. Here, click on the where did it go? Click on this where it's gonna give you the whole folder here, but you will not need all the files. So it's gonna give you a whole folder, then you'll need to extract it. So yeah, so once you're done, move on to the second procedure, which is booting to the recovery mode. So let's wait. I'm going to speed up the video. There we go. So once you're on this screen, you want to go to install. You can do a backup, but it's not, you can just do it. It's easy, just swipe. You don't need to select anything else. Go here, and then it's gonna come right here in this main folder, which is SD card, or it's not actually the SD card, which you can select from here. But anyways, well, let's see. You need to go into downloads, and then first of all you'll need to click on Camera 2 API Enabler, and then click on this button right here. And if you are using TWRP, there's a button right here that says add QR, a tiny button like this. I don't know exactly, I'm not sure exactly how it looks. So yeah, once that's done, you'll need to select that again and then click on this one. So it says now 2 here, and then again, and now it's what you'll need to do is sound fix for Redmi Note 4. If you're not using Redmi Note 4, you can just skip this step. So here, click on add, and then if you're using a Samsung phone, you'll need to select Moto, this one of these two. You can check it exactly on the website, but I'm showing you the main procedure. And then once you're done, for any other phone, if it's not a Samsung phone, you'll just need to select Boltsk Super FPS and 1 2 3 4. So until now I'm right. So, and then once that's selected, what you'll need to do is MIUI Camera Bravia. This is for only MIUI phones because it installs the other camera for you, and it also gives the manual options in the stock MIUI camera. Sorry if I'm sounding annoying, I'm not. Sorry for that. But I hope you guys are all held up till now. So once that's done, what you'll need to do is also flash this one again, lazy flasher, no verify, and then just swipe it, but I'm not gonna do it. Swipe it, and then once that's done, you're gonna be it's gonna give you an option to reboot. You can just reboot, and then once that's done, it will just reboot to your system. And once your system is once your system boots up, so guys, I didn't know that there's a limit to how much this can record, but anyways, it's just how much this phone can record. So oops, let me just show it to you guys. No, you can't do anything, right? What? Oh, what the? There we go. So once that's done, I'll install me a Snapdragon camera for you. It's going to be somewhere in this home screens. And also what it's going to do is, if you go here, manual, and normally there are only two options here, which is white balance and ISO. But now you get a ton more, which is this, shutter speed. Let's see. If you want to take a better photo, just a quick tip, you can set the ISO to lowest, exposure time to the best you can, and the focus to auto. And as you can see, it's still not great, so let's just bump it up a little bit to make it brighter, and there you go. This is a photo, so this is a quick tip. But anyways, as you can see, it installs everything for you. And yeah, so guys, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave that down in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of my comments. So let's see if we can reach 100 likes, shall we? So yeah, thanks for watching.